Hello students, our topic number 21 is to find regression equations by using normal equations or by least square method. By using normal equations and least square method is same thing. The formula is regression equation x on y, x equals to a plus by na plus b summation y equals to summation x, a summation y plus b summation y square equals to summation xy. Same way for y on x, y equals to a naught plus b naught x, n into a naught plus b naught summation x equals to summation y, a naught summation x plus b naught summation x square equals to summation x y, where x is a independent variable. In this equation x equals to a b y. X is a dependent variable and y is a independent variable. A is x intercept and b is slope of the line. Same way in this equation, y equals to a naught plus b naught x. Y is a dependent variable and x is a independent variable. A naught is a y intercept and b is a slope of the line. B is a slope of the line. Now find regression equations from the following data. Question is given as x equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and y equals to 4, 2, 5, 10, 3, 6. First find x square. X square is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 4, 16, 36, 64, 100, 144 and y square. Squaring these values, 4 into 4, 16, 4, 25, 100, 9, 36. Then xy, 4 into 2, 8, 8, 30, 80, 30 and 12 into 6, 72. Summation of x equals to 42. Summation of y equals to 30. By adding these terms we get summation x square 364, then 190 and 228. Now first we will calculate x on y. X on y. Putting value of n, summation y and summation x in this equation, we get n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N equals to 6. From this equation, we get 6a plus 30b equals to 42. From this equation, by putting value of summation y square and summation xy, we get 30a plus 190b equals to 228. Now by equalizing the coefficients of a, multiply this equation by 5. We get 30a. Name it as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Multiply equation 1 by 5. We get 30a plus 150b equals to 210. Then write same equation. 30a plus 190b equals to 228. Now solve these equations. Minus cancel. 150 minus 190 minus 40b equals to minus 18, which implies b equals to 0.45. Now put value of b in equation 1. We get, put b equals to 0.45 in equation number 1. We get 6a plus 30 0.45 equals to 42, which implies 6a equals to 42 minus 30 into 0.45, 13.5, which implies a equals to 4.75. A equals to 4.75, b equals to 0.45. Put these two values in equation x on y. We get x equals to, value of a is 4.75 plus value of b is 0.45 y. This is regression equation of x on y by using least square method. Same way you can put value of n, summation x, summation y, summation x, summation x square and summation xy, calculate a naught and b naught. Then put these two values in this equation, you get y on x. Clear? This is to find regression equations from given data by using normal equations or least square method. Our answer is x equals to 4.75 plus 0.45 y.